Okay, today we're looking at a Quartz Studio 12 watch. It's a women's watch, and as you can see, the battery is not working. It's not moving. See if we can change out the battery, and hopefully it's in working condition, but I want to measure it first. Okay, and here's the back of it. So we're going to open it up. We're going to remove the battery and see if we can clean it up. It's a little bit dirty right there too, so let's have at it. Okay, there you go. It's running good as new. Alright, so I'm going to put the back part on it, and then we're going to take off the bands and we're going to give it a cleaning.